If you want to make a website for your online store, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you templates with powerful builders, animated carts, a quick checkout menu, and tons of demo pages from various categories. So stick with us to find the best e-commerce website template for you. Number 10. Marketo, e-commerce and multi-vendor marketplace WooCommerce WordPress theme by XSpeed Studio. Marketo is a modern, clean, user-friendly, responsive, and highly customizable WooCommerce WordPress theme designed specifically for your WooCommerce electronics and multi-vendor store. It comes with 16 demo pages, WooCommerce layouts, and the Elementor page builder. Number 9. Jiritan, minimalist and modern e-commerce HTML template by 9 Themes. Jiritan is a template intended to give your web pages a modern and minimalist appearance. Its autumn color palette is ideal for highlighting your product photos, and because it's less saturated, it's easy on the eye. It includes 12 demo pages, 6 different product layouts, secure checkouts, and the ability to integrate a gift card system into your portal. Number 8. BlastSock e-commerce theme by MPC. BlastSock is a template that allows you to select what you like best from the included demo pages and combine them to create your own custom web page. It contains several default designs suitable for travel agencies, businesses, furniture stores, and fashion brands. Number 7. Styler, Elementor e-commerce WooCommerce theme by 9 Theme. Take your online store to the next level using Styler. This template allows you to create a fully customizable product page. It includes 9 modern and clean landing pages and Elementor widgets that are ideal for building any type of website. Number 6. Kaliaz, creative e-commerce multi-purpose WordPress theme by Hogash. Kaliaz is a versatile pack that includes over 70 pre-made demos in various categories. Sneakers, medical, construction, check, and check again. Look for the Kaliaz link in the description below to find the ideal theme for your website. All the templates we've seen so far are available from Envato Market, where you can purchase individual assets like PHP scripts, mobile app templates, web themes, and everything in between to make your engineering and web dev process easier. Find the link in the description below. Number 5. Bacala, grocery store and food e-commerce theme by KLB Theme. Bacala is a ready-to-use, responsive, and innovative WordPress grocery market theme. This template facilitates your visitors' purchase process by including a shop location filter, a quantity box that allows you to set item quantity from the preview, a category organization menu, and an Ajax-powered quick checkout cart. Number 4. Optimal, e-commerce HTML template by Animex. With over 100 pre-made pages, a drop-down menu, a modern and clean newsletter, and a pop-up shopping cart, Optimal is an unmissable tool for quickly creating a professional web page. This kit includes demo pages for almost any category, including pets, fashion, and cosmetics. Number 3. Shopkeeper, premium WordPress theme for e-commerce by GetBowtied. Shopkeeper has a simple and elegant design with powerful features hidden behind the scenes. In addition to being responsive, Shopkeeper allows you to select from several predefined WooCommerce templates to get your store up and running as soon as possible. You'll also be able to design your own layout. Number 2. The 7. Website and e-commerce builder for WordPress by Dream Theme. The 7 contains over 60 website templates for Elementor, WP Bakery Page Builder, and Slider Revolution. Its powerful builders enable you to quickly create a website by editing one of the demo pages or starting from scratch. Number 1. Minimog WP, the high-converting e-commerce WordPress theme by ThemeMove. Product bundles, a quantity discount, a quick product view, and a sale countdown timer are just a few of the features Minimog provides, in addition to over 50 demos, various header and footer styles, and a customizable menu that allow you to create a stunning web page with a sleek and professional design. We've reached the end of our list. Let us know in the comments which of these templates piqued your interest and are worth purchasing. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you again soon!